Meaning of full beam.
Full beam.
Full beam.
Full beam.
Full beam. Full beam refers to the highest setting of a vehicle's headlights, in which both high beams are activated. This is typically used in dark or poorly lit conditions to provide maximum visibility for the driver. However, using full beam inappropriately, such as when there is oncoming traffic, can cause temporary blindness for other drivers and increase the risk of accidents. Therefore, it is important for drivers to use full beam responsibly and follow road regulations to ensure a safe driving experience.